Hi there. As you can see, I've taken my recordings outside for a little bit. The sun doesn't often shine here in the UK, and so I've got to make use of every opportunity I possibly can. The Jeremy Kyle show is gone. Rest in peace. Now, you might have varying responses to the disappearance of the Jeremy Kyle show. Some might be glad it's gone, some might be indifferent because you never watched it and never cared. For some of you, it might have been a daily dose of, I don't know, what would you even call that? So I have to admit to having watched the odd episode of this show and actually found myself wondering where on earth they find the people that are on the show. I know you sign up for that sort of thing, you apply to be on there. And so many of them seem to lead chaotic, sad, abusive lives, and yet these are real people. I met some of them in my line of work as a pastor and as a life coach. Shows like this, to put it quite bluntly, are not kind. They're not doing people any favors. They put people on display who actually need to be helped, not given an audience. What a show like that does do, it affords us something that we cannot afford, and that is a smugness. It's a looking down at other people's lives and saying, well, for this brief moment, I actually feel like my life is actually okay. It almost acts as an anesthetic, that my life isn't as bad as I thought it was. Look at the chaos of these people's lives. But the reality is, these are real people that live and breathe, and very many times they need help. They need professional assistance. They should not be put out on a stage to display themselves. And you'll hear awful comments by, oh my word, look at their teeth, and look at how they've done their makeup, look at what they're wearing. Well, every single one of those judgments that we're making on that person, we're actually judging somebody who perhaps wasn't given the same opportunities as ourselves, wasn't given the same educational opportunities, wasn't raised to have aspirations, was raised to actually believe that they are all they're ever going to be. So I see a great unkindness in shows like this, especially when the hosts themselves might actually not be in a position where they should be helping people, but maybe themselves sometimes even need help. Moral decay is paraded as something that's funny and something that is incredible. Wow, let's see how bad this guest is going to be now. Yes, there are professionals that are available on the shows, and they will offer a certain amount of help, but at what cost? At what cost to that person once they've already displayed themselves on television and ranted and raved, knowing that that's irrevocable. It's always going to be there. I think sometimes we can do better with our television. Let our television be informative, let it be educational, let it be funny, let it be something clever, let it be something good. I don't think it's always fair to be parading people on television that actually are perhaps unfortunate and really do need help. Just a couple of thoughts. I'll be keen to hear yours. Do leave some in the comments below, and I'll catch up again soon. Bye bye.